On behalf of everyone at BHH, we want to thank you. When we began our partnership, we were two separate companies with a similar goal. We are now a powerful team with a unified purpose. And we wouldn't be here if it wasn't for your unwavering commitment to drive results and disturb the status quo. MBD callers, can I get an amen? You cut through the noise of a cluttered marketplace, filled with smoke and mirror solutions, to show that there really is a better way. Your persistence and commitment is unrivaled. Underwriters, you are truly amazing. Your turnaround times, advice, and results are delivering better costs and sustainability than the marketplace has ever seen. Support team, wow! Your seamless integration and client-centric mentality has employees understanding and appreciating their benefits programs like never before. Team leads, talk about leadership. You don't just talk the talk. Whether it's late-night calls, process improvements, or strategic advice, you are walking the walk when it comes to driving results and disturbing the status quo. We can't thank you all enough for who you are and what you do. It's said that if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. We are going together, and the results to date are just the beginning. We will go far. Looking forward to a record-breaking 2018.